Because we're already using your machine successfully for about 3 years now.
About 3 years.
And the machine is running well.
Actually, our machine is very good because our main product is thermal paper rolls. But also we did plotter paper.
Wow, plotter paper.
Yes, with the same machine.
So, a video.
Bogdan.
Nice to meet you. Today is a very honor to meet you here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you for inviting us.
Yeah, you are my guest always. Okay, today I would like to have a brief interview about the Romanian market. I know you are just very professional for the people converting in Romania. So my first question is, how about the Romanian market?
The Romanian market is steady.
Yeah.
On the last 2 years, the price, the paper, and the machine is steady.
Yeah.
Nothing happened recent.
Yeah.
So it's a good business.
Good business.
Yes.
It's still growing. Even now, the economic in the global is not good. So
Thermal paper rolls, actually, it's not growing.
yeah, it's not growing.
It's steady. We didn't saw different quantities.
The quantity is still there. Yeah, it's steady.
Yes.
Because we're already using your machine successfully for about 3 years now.
About 3 years.
And the machine is running well. We are very pleased. So
we are very pleased for our machinery.
Yes.
How about the services? How about Tina? How about our teams for the working?
Your team is always support us.
Yes.
Always.
Support you.
We have good support. We have professionals. You have professionals around you here at your company, and we always solve any problem with Tina and with your technicians.
So that means the machine in the past 3 years has been working very smoothly.
Yes.
And help you got the big orders to serve your Europe customers, right?
Yes.
I'm so happy to hear that. Actually, in the past 3 years, for me, I'm just focused on the technology innovation and the quality, because the quality and the technology is very, very important for the future of Jota Machinery. Yeah, we make efforts to it.
Actually, our machine is very good because our main product is thermal paper rolls. But also we did plotter paper.
Yes, with the same machine.
Same machine to make the plotter paper.
Yes.
We did the adjustment and with no problem. Plotter paper also with different cores, dimension. Also, we did, like Ovidiu said, the lottery tickets. Big rolls, like 400, I don't know.
Maybe more than 300 millimeter diameter for the lottery paper.
Yes.
It is also working on problem.
No problem. The work is smooth.
So we are very pleased, like Ovidiu said, we are very pleased with your machine.
Okay, thank you. So this is the meaning of our hard working. And also, I hope in future we can supply you a better technology and good quality equipment to support your business.
You know, I can confirm what you said earlier about innovation, about quality, because after we visit your factory, I can assure everyone that you are innovating, that your quality is improved day by day, I think.
Yes, we're hard working for that.
Yes.
Every day is fighting for the quality. Of
course.
It's not easy actually.
This is I believe this is the key in these days to success and to grow your business. I see it. You already see it. So.
Yeah, it is still a long way to go. Okay, so can you tell me why do you choose Jota Machinery as your supplier from China? Because as you know, you are in Europe and you have many suppliers in European countries, like Spain, like Italian, even Turkey.
Germany also produces.
Germany, yeah.
Germany.
So why do you choose Jota Machinery as your supplier and work for us?
But first of all, to be honest, was the price. This was the best price what we can do with the machine.
Yeah.
So we have diversified the products.
Yeah.
With Italian machines or our European machines, you can focus just one product.
Or just one product.
Yes, thermal paper rolls.
Yeah.
With your machine, From the beginning, we do plotter,
and lottery, and thermal rolls.
Yes.
So it is much more wider applications.
Yes.
Because our company was new, we need to have more products to bring in the market. So for us, the price and the diversify of the machine was.
So that means I can understand just because of Jota Machinery, we can supply all kinds of the paper converting solutions. And the other points, our price is reasonable.
Yes, it's reasonable. But it's not about the price. But after we saw the machine working, we convinced that it's also quality. So good quality, very good quality. So price versus quality, it's the best you can get in the market.
So that means it is with a high value.
Yes.
High value for running our machines. Okay, thank you. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bogdan.
Thank you.